Alright, ladies and gents, it's time for solutions to homework 15. It looks like this guy here. Let's move on to the first one. We're just solving inequalities and equations. So 1 and 2 are just solving. And we solve it just like we always have. You need to distribute this -3. The 4 stays out front. -3 times 2 gets you -6. -3 times -x gets you positive 3x. Right side is as simplified as it can be. So remember, your first step should be to get each side as simple as possible, and then start moving stuff around. This left side, you can combine the 4 minus x to make it -2, and everything else stays the same. That's the only thing it can combine. At this point, you need to choose which side you want your variable on. I'm going to choose the right side because I can. So I need to move my variable on the left by subtracting 3x. Left side I got -2, right side 10x minus 3x gives me 7x. And then the plus 2 on the end. I need to get rid of the plus 2 on the right side because I'm trying to get my x by itself. So I subtract 2 from both sides. I get -4 on this side and 7x on my right side. I need to get rid of 7, so I'm going to divide by 7. And now my x is finally by itself, and the other side of the equation is 4/7. And ta-da! Number 1 is done. Moving on to number 2. So number 2 is a compound inequality. So we have to remember to solve the two inequalities that are happening. So I have to now just look at the two inequalities I'm solving. You have the left 2, which is -4 less than 3x minus 7. And you have the right 2, which involves these two. So notice the middle gets used twice. That happens when you have a inequality that's like in one line, like it is, and it has the two inequality symbols there. Okay, you have to use the middle twice. Here it is, here it is. Okay, now we have our two inequalities. You have to solve them both. On both of them, you want to get your x by itself. So add 7 to both sides. I'm going to work on the right one as well. -4 plus 7 gives me 3, less than 3x. Right side, I get 3x less than 14 plus 7 is 21. Now I'm going to divide by 3. So divide by 3, divide by 3. Over here I get x on my right side. Oh, just kidding. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I got 1 is less than x. So remember that what side your variable is on with inequalities matters a lot. Okay, if I were to put x on the left side of my first one here, I would have to switch the direction of my inequality, because that's one of the properties of inequalities, that when you switch sides, you have to switch the symbol in the middle. I didn't, and so it's going to just stay just like that. 1 is less than x. And anytime you have a situation like this, where you have multiple inequalities in one row, it's always an AND statement. So remember, this is x is greater than 1 on the left side, x is less than 7. So really we can put these back together, so it kind of looks like our start there, and write it just like that. Because x is greater than 1 and less than 7. Ta-da! First two done.